Disadvantages of scale. First disadvantage is wastage of fuel. The scale having poor heat conducting property. Because of this, it will act as a insulator for heat conduction. It decreases the rate of heat transfer from the boiler to the inside water. Hence, for heat, more heat has to be supplied continuously to boiler to produce steam. For this process, more and more fuel has to be utilized. Here, whatever the scale deposition will be there, it will present in between the water and boiler wall. So it is a poor conductor of heat. Directly heat will not transfer into the water because of the salt deposition. Hence, more and more heat has to be supplied to the boiler. And for the more and more heat supply, we have to burn more and more fuel. It will leads into wastage of fuel. Second, reduces the boiler efficiency. Because of deposition of scale, parts has been choked, which reduces the efficiency of the boiler. That means the production of the steam will be decreased. Third one is danger of explosion. The scale formation also leads to uneven expansion of the boiler material. Due to the uneven expansion, the thick scale cracks will be formed on that boiler wall. The water comes in contact with overheated iron plates, which may lead into the explosion of boiler. Next, it is also increases the cleaning expensive. Whatever the salt deposition is there, it is present inside the boiler wall. So in order to remove, it is highly difficult to remove the deposited salt. So it is very expensive to remove those salt precipitation present inside the wall. Then next we are going to discuss about the prevention of scale. There are two methods are adopted in order to prevent the scale formation. So that the scale is mainly due to the dissolved salt present in the water. So we have to remove those dissolved salts. That will be done by two methods. One is external treatment, other one is internal treatment. External treatment is physical treatment, internal treatment is chemical treatment. In the external treatment, it involves the scale forming impurities form before feeding into the boiler. They can be removed by the sedimentation, coagulation and filtration process. During the sedimentation process, water is stored in big tanks. After long duration, dissolved salt will get precipitated at the bottom of the tank. In the coagulation, we are going to add the alum, coagulating agent like aluminum sulfate. They will form the complex with the dissolved salt, and they will get precipitated, and it can be removed just by filtration. Next one is internal treatment. In the internal treatment, this process will be done by the adding a few chemicals directly into the water in the boiler to remove the scale forming impurities. First one is carbonate conditioning. In this, scale formation can be avoided by adding sodium carbonate. When the sodium carbonate is added to the boiler filled water, it is going to react with calcium sulfate and it is converted into calcium carbonate and sodium sulfate, and this calcium carbonate, it can be easily separated. Next, Calagon conditioning. Calagon, here we are going to add in order to remove the calcium sulfate, we are going to add the Calagon. That Calagon is sodium hexametaphosphate is added to the water. Then the sodium hexametaphosphate is going to dissolve and it will give the phosphate ion. In this, it is going to form the calcium orthosilicate. It is going to react with calcium sulfate and it will form the calcium orthosilicate. And this calcium orthosilicate can be easily removed. Then phosphate conditioning. Scale formation salt can be easily removed by the addition of sodium phosphate. So they are converted into sodium phosphate salts. And those phosphate salt can be easily removed. For example, in the boiler feed water, calcium chloride is present, and this calcium chloride can be easily removed by the addition of sodium phosphate. So it is converted into calcium phosphate and it will be precipitated. It can be easily removed. Next one is colloidal conditioning. In the colloidal conditioning, the colloidal substance like agar, glue, tannin, it is introduced into the water. The substance get coated over the scale forming particles, so that they will become heavier and they will settle down. They can be easily removed.